No, Malhloko no. Umama kaMrungwa. Umrungwa, she's a naughty girl. She's 16 years old, akalale ekhaya, uphikisana nomama ke, uyazenzela, mabamshaya bamphanisha njengomntwana uthela ngcono afe or uyobabophisa. Alright, kuningi mara ngeke nginike kona konke nizozwela lapha ngaphakathi. Follow me. Get to Professor GP Orange. Yeah, hiyo leyo. Bangafuni yekela. Thank you, Baba.
Well, igama nguMalhlonolo wakaMuthwa, and then I'm 35, and then ngihlala eHeidelberg eObedinkosi. Well, nginey'ngane eziyi-3, and then the one enize ngaye is Umrungwe wakaMuthwa, and she is 16 years. Umrungwe was a bubbly child. Umrungwe started ukuchinja, I think, hantle hase ayetsa 15. And then sele motho o considering dichomi more, and then hatla ka tlung asa etsa all the chores and everything else asa clean up.